PSBank Online Meralco Payment. How to enroll and how to pay Meralco Bills using PSBank Online Banking. And kung bago ka sa channel na to and gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na katulad nito, please click the subscribe button. So sa video na to, gagawin natin yung process on how to enroll Meralco Bills in PSBank Online. And after natin i-enroll, gagawin naman natin yung process on how to pay Meralco Bills through PSBank Online Banking. So yung pag-enroll ng Meralco Bills sa PSBank Online Banking, once lang siya gagawin. And then after natin ma-enroll yung bill, every month, kailangan mo na lang magbayad sa Meralco gamit yung PSBank Online. So gamit ko ngayon yung computer ko and andito na ako sa website ni PSBank. That's psbank.com.ph. And then I'll click this login and choose personal. And then I'll close this. And pwede na ako mag-login sa PSBank Online Banking gamit yung username and password ko. And kung wala ka pang online account with PSBank, pwede mong i-click tong register account. And since meron na akong account with them, I'll go ahead and log in. And andito na ako sa loob ng PSBank Online Banking. Since magbabayad ako ng bill, which is Meralco bill dito sa PSBank, I'll choose Bills Payment. And kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron na akong PLDT na naka-enroll. So, na-save na siya dito sa list of billers ko sa PSBank Online Banking. And then, kung gusto ko man magbayad sa PLDT, pipiliin ko na lang ito. And then, i-enter ko na lang yung amount and proceed na tayo sa mga next steps. That's why mas maganda na i-enroll mo muna yung Meralco bill sa PSBank Online Banking para next time nakasave na siya dito. And then, afterwards, pwede ka na lang magbayad sa kanya monthly. So, para makapag-enroll dito, click ko tong Enroll a New Biller. And before I proceed with this, notice na PLDT pa lang yun nandito. Wala pa yung Meralco. Later on, magpapakita na dito yung Meralco bill. So, I'll choose this. And for category, utilities, since yung Meralco is under utilities na category. And then I'll choose Meralco. For Meralco subscriber or account number, ito daw yung 11 digits ATM phone reference number. So, saan siya makikita? So, punta ko sa bill ko sa Meralco. Ito yung ATM phone reference number. Yung first 11 digits, yun yung kailangan kong i-enter. Itong 5 digits na dulo, every month nagbabago-bago to. So, bilang 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So, 11 digit nga siya, which is similar siya dito. So, highlight ko to and then right-click and hit copy. And balik ako sa PSBank, right-click. So, hindi raw pwede yung right-click. So, I'll hit Control-V sa keyboard. So, hindi rin siya pwede. So, kailangan ko na lang siyang i-enter manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11 digits yung ATM phone reference number dito. For reference number naman, balik tayo sa Meralco bill. And ito yung Meralco reference number. So, medyo mahaba-haba siya. So, ito din siya. By the way, meron nga pala akong online account with Meralco, kaya na-access ko yung bills ko online. So, sa inyo, kung wala pa kayong online account with Meralco, mas maganda na i-enroll nyo siya para kung gusto nyo man ma-view yung bills ninyo kahit hindi pa dumarating yung actual na bill, pwede nyo gawin yon o online. And meron kaming ginawang video on how to do that. You may click this I button to check that video on how to register to Meralco Online. So, in-enter ko yung 26-digit na reference number ko sa Meralco. And then, for phone number, lagay ko rito yung cellphone number ko. And I'll click Continue. For added security, please input the one-time password or OTP na nasend daw sa phone ko. So, I'll click OK. Hit OK and enter here the code. Na-receive ko na yung code. So, 8-digit code yung na-receive ko sa phone. Aside sa code or sa OTP, ilalagay ko rin dito yung password ko. And click Submit Request. So, close ko muna to. The biller has now been enrolled. You may now select this biller from the list of billers that you can pay for. So, balik tayo sa Bills Payment. And andito na siya. So, yung Meralco online bill ko, nandito na siya as enrolled bill. So, pwede ko na lang siyang piliin from the list. So, I'll choose that. And then it's asking for ATM or phone reference number. So balik ako sa bill ko. So ang reference number ko dito yung last 5 digits. So itong 07017. And by the way, kung yung bill nyo is past due na, ibig sabihin lampas na yung due date nung nagbabayad kayo ng bills dito, may tendency na hindi mag-push through yung payment kasi yung reference number or ATM phone reference number is expired na siya. Itong phone reference number, ito yung nag-determine kung yung binabayaran mong bill is valid pa or hindi pa expired. So that's for step 1, choose a bill to pay. For step 2, choose resource account. Since isa lang naman yung account ko with PSBank, by default, naka-check na siya dito. And then for the amount, balik tayo sa bill. So ang kailangan kong bayaran is 1,492 cents. So dito, lagay ko siya. Oops. There. So may note dito na dapat ilagay mo yung exact amount sa current bill mo. Hindi dapat sa sobra, hindi rin dapat kulang. Walang comma dito, like for 1,000 pesos, hindi mo siya lalagyan ng 1,000. So dapat 1,000 kung 1,000 yung babayaran mo. Like sa akin, ang nilagay ko is 1,400 and by default, sila na yung naglagay ng comma. So that's for step 3. Next is step 4, yung schedule of payment. Gusto ko now, ibig sabihin, as much as possible, mag-reflect na siya agad sa end ni Meralco yung payment na to. For post-dated, pwede ka mag-set ng date in advance. So, pipiliin mo dito yung month or day na gusto mo siyang mag-post. So, dito, balik ako. So, gusto ko siya now. And I'll click Submit Request. So, I have to review all these details kung tama ba siya. So, for subscriber number, kung mapapansin nyo, yung 11-digit yung in-enter kong subscriber number and then in-append or dinagdag niya lang niya sa dulo yung ATM phone reference number which is yung last 5 digit dito sa bill ko. Ito siya. And then, enter ko lang yung password ko and click Submit Request. And here's the transaction acknowledgement. Sabi dito, this serves as your transaction receipt. Pwede mo tong i-print or pwede mo tong i-save, i-download as image kung gusto mo ng copy ng reference number nito. And magandang practice yon na i-save nyo lagi yung mga transaction reference number or confirmation number na ginagawa nyong transaction online. It will serve as your proof or receipt na nagbayad talaga kayo gamit yung online banking na yon. Sa case na to is PSBank Online Banking and itatago ko tong transaction reference number as my proof of payment. And chinek ko yung online account ko with Meralco and nagbayad ako nung July 5 and nag-reflect yung payment on this date. And that's it. Sa video na to, sinagot natin yung mga questions na how can I pay to Meralco bill using PSBank Online Banking. And sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And if you can think of other videos na pwede namin ituro or i-share online like how to pay this bill sa ganitong online banking or how to reset or unlock your account, please provide a comment below. And may mga videos pa kami na tingin namin pwede pang makatulong sa inyo, this or additional tutorial videos. And please don't forget to subscribe. This is Lulu from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!